Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to harvest your sunflower seeds to give back to the birds. The reason that I say that is because they're not for human consumption. I got these seeds specifically for birds, so I don't know how good they are for you to eat. So let's do it. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to harvest your sunflower seeds with these few simple steps. All you need are these following tools. Garden shears. If you don't have these, you can use just a knife or anything that you can have in your garage that will work for you or in your kitchen. A rope and scissors, so I can make a knot around the sunflower. This will be for easy hanging. If you don't have these, you don't need to, so it's just convenient. And my gardening gloves, because the sunflowers, they're very mature, so they're kind of pokey and spiky, so you don't want to have anything bad in your hands. As you can see, I don't have a big sunflower patch, so I'm just gonna use a few of them that are mature enough and the seeds are big enough. So one of the tips that I'm gonna give you is make sure that the sunflower is already looking yellow. This means that it's already drying and that the seeds are black. Otherwise, I have one with the white seeds. These are different seeds and this is normal, but make sure that the seeds are mature enough so you can harvest them on time. After I cut them, I'm gonna store them in my garage for a few days just to make sure that they are completely dry, and then you can start removing the seeds from the sunflower in order for you to be able to harvest them. So I'm ready to cut my sunflower. I already made a knot with the rope, so here we go. And here it is. You can see our sunflower is yellow enough. Our sunflower is yellow enough. And then if you can see, these are all individual flowers which are part of this sunflower. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this so it is not gonna be messy in my garage. So I'm gonna remove that and let them dry. And then I'm gonna show you guys in a few days how to harvest the sunflower seeds. As you can see also, it is really pokey, so I do recommend using gardening gloves. And here's my rope. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hang this in my garage. So obviously I'm going to remove the leaves, and then this will be ready for drying in my garage. The other thing that I was going to show you is that you can see how mature this sunflower was, and all of that white that you see in there, that is the starch of the plant. So pretty cool. See how easy this is coming out. So this means that your sunflower is ready for harvesting. So I will show you guys my next steps for harvesting these seeds once they are completely dry, and I will show you in a few days. Here's a very small sunflower. I have seen a few birds already eating the seeds from the plant. Okay, for this one I already kind of clean all of the flowers. I don't know how good these are gonna be, but I'm going to try. see, I've seen some birds eating the seeds already, so this is how they look. So that's why I had the idea of giving it back to them. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you the result of my dry sunflowers. They have been drying in my garage for a few weeks, so this is the result. As you can see, they're pretty dry, so they're pretty ready to for me to remove the seeds from them. Today's a beautiful day. Actually, it's a little cold, but as you can see, I have a few friends in there, my audience, so they're pretty cute right there. So yeah, I hope you enjoy my video. Okay, so right now I'm gonna show you. As you can see, these are very ready, and I'm just gonna show you what you have to do, and they will come very easy out of the sunflower head. So after I do this, we'll probably have to clean it again, just to make sure you only, keep the seeds. And as I mentioned it before, I will do this and I will clean them up, and then I will put them in my bird feeder. You can see these are black sunflowers, and I have some that are a different color as well, so I will just mix them. Okay, so this one is the one that I was talking about. It's a different color, a little grayish with white on it. It seems like they're actually bigger seeds. Pretty cute actually. Super easy, super easy. That's why you need to dry them. It's pretty messy, so make sure if you do this, you do it out of the house because they will go all over. So actually this one is a little spiky, so if you have like sensitive skin or something like that, I will advise if you wear gloves. Actually, I just put mine away so for the winter, so I decided to do it with my bare hands, but do not recommend it. Okay, so you can see here, this is just a small portion of what I got, and then I will clean it up and I will give it to the birds immediately, probably. So yeah, I hope you try this and let me know in the comments if you do. So I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my video, and I hope you enjoy my beautiful view with my friends the ducks.